Welcome back to the Metler Family Channel. I am the old Papa Bear. How we doing on this fine Saturday? Oh, telling you what, it's Saturday. Everyone happy to be Saturday? Hey, guess what? Guess what? It is cold here in Ohio. We have 30 degrees. It's noon time. See the little monkey back there? See Karmen back there? She's even got her hood up. She's like, I'm cold. Well, we are about running around doing some errands on this fine Saturday. Karmen is going to get her ears pierced. She's going to get her little ears pierced. So we'll be taking you on this journey as she gets her ears pierced. I don't know how this is going to go, so it could be really painless for her, or it could be very traumatic for her. We'll see. But anyway, so I will, next time you see, we will be at Claire's getting Karmen's ears pierced. Alright? Oh, I told you we'd bring you back when we arrived here at Claire's. Karmen will be getting her ears pierced here very soon. Are you excited to get your ears pierced? Are you?
You can get some pretties. Yay!
There she is in a big girl chair.
Alright, let's go in here and we'll go shopping and get some earrings.
You gonna get some pretties in your ears? You gonna get some pretty in your ears?
Like, yeah, okay. I don't know what we're doing.
You want to hold it? Can I do one on your ear?
You're washing your hand. Is that cold? Is that cold?
Like, what are we doing? Alright, so this is a marker. I'm going to draw some dots on it. Do you want to throw one on your hand first? Ready? Look at that! I'm going to do one on your ear, okay? I got this one a little lower on her lobe and this one a little higher. You know which one you like more on her? The lower. I'm going to erase this here.
Excited?
Better get over here and hold her hand.
I can't, they're gonna be standing there.
Oh.
So I'll stand on this side, she'll stand on the other side. If somebody wants to hold her hands for a minute, we'll all be up here together. Alright.
Can I stand on this side? I'm going to stand right here.
here, okay?
Mommy's right here.
You better hold her hands,
Line
honey.
it up.
You hold your hand.
Make it super still like a statue. You're all done. It's okay.
Yay, all done.
Good
Good
job.
job.
Pretty.
Don't touch them. It'll make it hurt worse. Don't touch them.
Hands
There you
down.
go. Good job.
Hands down. Look how pretty.
Look.
Oh, she flipped.
Look at me scream.
Isn't that
Aren't they
pretty,
pretty?
Karmen?
You see them? It's okay.
It's so pretty.
That's it. She's not done.
You look great.
You can see them sticking out
All
a little bit.
done.
That's just so she's got some room to swell if she needs to, but they're fine that way. And they look so cute in her ears. I love them.
Oh yeah, I've been wanting them for a while.
Okay, that's it. She's all done.
All right. Well, as you can tell, we are back home. I hope you all enjoyed that beautiful video for getting her ears. She did wonderful. I mean, 3 years old. Come on. I mean, that was pretty good. I'd have to say. We were actually kind of shocked, and we still are shocked at how she acted about it. She acted awesome about it. So, I mean, that's just awesome. Well, I am now fixing dinner. Getting ready to have some Italian brats with some fresh, see if I can get it here, fresh veggies. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, making some homemade Italian sausages. Yeah, so we had a great day. It was a great time traveling. We got home safely, and let's see what else. We just did some errands, went out to lunch. We just had an awesome, groovy day. I mean, awesome. I mean, our goal was to go down there and get our ears pierced because we've been wanting to do it, and so we decided, well, let's go do it. And we didn't know how she was going to react, but she did wonderful. Did you, Karmen? Say hi, Karmen. Yeah, just stand right there. Say hi. Say hi. You playing shy now? Say hi. That's no highs. Can you say bye? Say hi. Wave. Wave. There it is. But yeah, so I just want to thank you for all coming along this journey as we went to the local mall and got our little Karmen's ears pierced, and me and Paisley girl, we just had a great day, and I mean, it was cold. We're used to cold weather. This soon in the year, not so much. It said outside temperature was 45, but with the wind, I think we had a wind chill of around 30, because it was this bitter, gray, cold day. The sun kind of tried to peek through and show its beautifulness, but the clouds just kept coming. But we spread the love and sunshine wherever we went, and everyone loves seeing Karmen. And so yeah, we just had a great Saturday, and so I just wanted to do a video with her and show you our journey. I mean, this is what the Mather Family channel was created for, was not just me giving you inspirationals on Wednesdays, but also vlogging our journey in life and as a family. So yeah, just tune in on Wednesday or tune into the next video, whatever comes first. Never know when I'm going to turn this live, okay? If you'd like to see a live chat, message down below, and maybe that'll be something we could do here as a live channel. Maybe questions you could ask the old Papa Bear here or Paisley girl about her garden and her channel, and maybe that'd be something you guys might be interested in. So anyways, please hit the like, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications of this glorious Papa Bear. And like I said, you'll see Karmen on here, and you'll see Paisley girl, and we'll do collaborations between the two channels and so forth like that. So anyways, as we say around this homestead, peace, love, and happiness to all you. Say goodbye. There you go. We got a goodbye. All right, all right. See y'all again. Peace. Love y'all.